Hello, everybody. You have previously learned how to solve systems of equations. I'm here just reminding you kind of how it works. You can solve systems by using elimination, where you're going to use an operation to combine two equations to try and get rid of a variable. That's what elimination means. It means you're eliminating or getting rid of a variable. And the hope is that you're going to do that over and over again until you're left with an equation that just has one variable, because then you can isolate it to solve for it. The other approach is substitution, where you try and isolate a variable, like you could get a by itself here, and then you would plug in what a is equal to in another equation. When you have larger systems, it's kind of easy to go algebraically in circles if you're using substitution. So I just wanted to show you kind of an organized approach here. I'm going to combine the top two equations, and I'm going to do whatever I need to do to eliminate a variable. Here I notice that c there's just one c in each of them. So if I subtract the top one from the middle one, 7 minus 1 is 6, 4a minus a is 3a, 2b minus b is b, and c minus c is 0. So I've subtracted to eliminate c. Now I'm going to combine the bottom two equations, and same thing, I'm going to subtract in order to eliminate c. The really important thing is that you want to eliminate the same variable, because you'll know you're making progress if you're getting fewer and fewer and fewer variables. Here I have 3 equations and 3 variables that I don't know. Now that I've done this, I've got 2 equations and only 2 variables that I don't know. I'm going to subtract it again. So 12 minus 6 is 6, 5a minus 3a is 2a, b minus b is 0. And so now I've got one equation with one variable that I don't know. So now I can isolate it, and I know a is 3. Just plug a back into any equation you want. I plugged it in here. And so I'm taking this equation and rewriting it. Instead of 6 equals 3a plus b, I've got 6 equals 9, because 3a, since a was 3, 3 times 3 gives us 9, and then there's b. So now I have an equation that just has b, and I can isolate it to solve for b. Then I will plug both of those into one of my original equations, and that's what gives me this one, and then I can isolate c. This is not the right way to learn this the first time. The first time you should probably go through it more slowly and you should practice, but I'm assuming that you've seen it before, and I'm just kind of reminding you how the process makes sense. Go ahead and try the big problems from today as a chance to practice it.